Hello everyone, it's Kara here. How are you doing? I hope you're well. Today I wanted to read to you Butterfly Kisses. Yes, I have an active imagination, I tell you. So when I think about butterfly kisses, I see all that cuteness flying around and being plucked on your cheek, all over your body, and all that good stuff. Well, butterfly kisses, as love envelops us, we are covered in a bubble of bliss, where doubts melt away into thin air. But life has to happen. Daily chores, useless wrangles, and ticking clocks remind us of the moments past. Butterfly kisses give us a sense of comfort, whether near or far, visible or invisible. Love traveling through the air, creating paths for true lovers to bear. Butterfly kisses, the invisible transporter of love's essence. I hope you enjoy that. Butterfly kisses. Yes, they are. They are the invisible transporter of love's essence. So give more of those butterfly kisses. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.